At least you could do that with it.
Out here.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
It's pretty much what we are today.
Yeah, so we're about to guard this lake.
Back to Sweeney.
Back to Sweeney.
Yeah, boat's still broken, but we have options.
We have options, but this is a good option. Let's put it like that. Cooler's packed.
It's a brand new truck up there. I'm not sure what kind it is, but I really want to buy one. So if any of the subscribers or viewers, if you comment what kind of truck that is and I find out and I can buy one myself, you're going to win a prize.
Yep,
you know,
we don't know.
Might be some double bubble or a lollipop, or it could be the keys to a new set of golf clubs. But tell me what kind of truck that is, and if I can find one for myself, you're going to win a prize.
Yep, in the comments below.
I thought he was talking about a Corvette.
Operation H.
Yeah, so we're going out. It's gonna be a good old time here at Sweeney X.
Sweeney X.
Usual, so.
Nice jersey.
Oh, thank you. Sponsored today by.
Ooh. Craft of the day. First cast.
Well, change of plans, but that's why it's always good to have a backup.
Yeah.
So my boat's broken. Like apparently, as of this morning, this boat, aka the Sweeney Craft, is now broken. So I would say it hasn't been a great summer for watercraft.
Yeah, it seems like.
But when they're working really good.
Equipment malfunction, basically.
Yeah, so we're back on the Game Fisher 7.5. Never did us wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. You said you just caught a fish from the dock.
Yeah, I got footage.
Oh, okay. Swear.
So
I'll have to see
the
the
free spawn.
respawn. Stroke power. Whatever choice of watercraft you have, you just gotta do it. Yep. Haven't had my boat for a month because of animals. You'll see about that soon. Edits I'm making. Animals.
The buddies add wacky fins. We're gonna put that on there. Shaky head.
A couple. But
Maybe people want to hear our opinion on good fishing beers.
Because every time we go, we try to drink a different one. This, I don't know, it's a tropical twist with mango and citrus. So,
Yeah.
But it's an IPA. What is it?
Look at that.
6.2. It's a clear beer.
Should get it done.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Cheers.
Beers of choice.
And
Drinkable. It's a little sweet. Kind of tastes more like apple than like the citrus. It's mango and citrus. That's what it tastes like, mango. It's not bad though. It's very refreshing. It's good. It's drinkable. In the spot.
this is a guppy zone. Note the timber.
See, it's almost like foolish though, because the beavers are making structure there, which is going to fool the small fish into hiding, which is going to lure the bass, and then the beaver is just going to have a buffet.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Beaver buffet. Is that what you're trying to say?
The beaver's home is structure, which attracts fish, which the beaver eats. So it's almost like
Ecosystem.
I just need to build a home with a huge wiener on the front porch, so all the women want to come sit on it.
That's putting 2 and 2 together.
Equals 5. Daddy! I want snow cone!
First one on board.
First one of the day. I am
Crushing
using the Skinny Bear mullet jig and a strike.
Let's see it.
So he's nothing special. He whopped it already. Was running when I said it. So his name's gonna be.
There it is.
Oh, you're wearing the bracelet. I didn't grab one of those.
Yeah, for sure.
Should have grabbed one. Yeah, I'm gonna name him. His name's gonna be Mike.
For sure.
So
This one's for Mike.
in honor of Mike. There you go.
Nice.
For another day.
On the board.
In the pads, he's decent. He ain't a chop, right? Oh, he's a good fish.
Good fish.
Couple pounder. There he is. There he is. Oh, he's a nice one.
Oh,
It might be
hell yeah.
3, close
Hell
to 3.
yeah. Wow.
Oh, the shaky head? That's a good fish. I saw him back in the weed bed, ripping and ropping. He's probably, what, 2 and change?
Hell yeah, 2 and change.
For sure.
Number 2 on the board.
Hang on, let me give you a second. Let me just straighten out so I can film properly.
This one's Carlos Baerga.
Yeah, Baerga. He's 2 pounds for sure.
Yeah, put him on the shaky
He's a
head.
nice fish. Deep in the scum,
Right
too.
in the scrumptious
Yeah.
pocket.
What's his name again? Baerga?
Baerga.
Okay.
Here we go.
Carlos.
Carlos.
Yeah, that's a good
Scheme.
fish.
Yep.
On that note, I'm going to pack up a puff. So they call me, sorry, cars driving by. They call me Grease Nurishna. You know? Like, imagine if they made a Grease reunion and, like, we were some of the guys, tell me more, you know? So, 3 fish so far. It's been like an hour and a half. We're sauteed sufficiently. And, yeah, so.
Keep it even more.
Keep it even more. Even more.
Gotta wait.
Canada.
Got another little guy on board here.
He's not bad. He's a pound. He's a little pounder.
If you don't get cut this time.
No, he's definitely a pound for sure.
Nice.
On the shaky head.
Yeah, on the shaky head.
It's like
again.
ordering tacos. Why would you not get a taco supreme?
Yeah, get the Supreme.
You know, who doesn't want tomatoes and sour cream?
We'll call this Trevor Bauer.
Trevor Bauer. T-Rev. Just don't get cut up by any drones in the playoffs, nigga.
Yeah, keep away from the drones, Trev. But
Thanks, Trev.
beauty.
He's a nice fish.
Caught him on a shaky head. Little 3/8 ounce VMC.
Bye. VMC.
Candor.
Candor.
And Sam's on.
Yeah, he's a good one. I don't think he's a dank, but he's definitely a pound fish.
Where's he
Definitely
at?
a pound
Where's he
fish.
at?
He's running. He's fighting. I don't know how big he is.
Oh, there he
he's
is,
a
there he
decent
is.
one.
Nice.
He's a
He's-
beast.
Nice.
Oh, there we go. Let's get him. Let's get him. Let's get
Careful
him.
now.
Oh, that's a slab.
Nice.
Slab labia, bro. Two
Two
qualities.
quality.
That's another, probably what, just under 2, maybe about 2?
Probably.
Oh yeah, I threw it, you see how that underhangs where that tree comes out? I literally threw it right under there, and as soon as my lure hit it, splashed. Literally, I threw it right on top of his face. Oh man, that's
yeah.
a good fish.
Nice.
Yeah, he's nice. Good fish, for sure.
Hell yeah.
His name's gonna be, Matt Medley in honor of my dude, RIP.
Great.
So now we got, you know, all the,
Mm-hmm.
taking care of everybody. Thank you, Mr. Medley. I appreciate that. Oh,
Splash aid.
dude, fountains of youth.
Yes, exactly.
Puff.
Puff. Sam's on again.
He's in the boat. Number 3, we're tied.
Tied.
Just missed 2 small ones. Same thing. I've been on the jig game lately for presentation. Threw on the different colored striking ratio. It's like the blue. Let's call it Blue Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
So let me turn around. So he's nothing special. Number 3. So he's nothing special. Number 3. So we got 6 in what, 2 hours?
Yeah, we're killing it.
So we're doing all right. I don't know. I like to say a fish an hour is good.
Mm-hmm.
Whether that's between everyone or just on their own. His name's gonna be frowned upon Elijah,
Okay.
but I'm smiling at him. So
So.
Elijah. Oh, he's been caught before too.
Yep.
That ain't for
sure.
me. All right, frowned upon Elijah. We're gonna give him a fish trick because he looks like he's an acrobatic guy.
Sure.
And this is not bad-natured.
Quick
You
dip.
know, fish tricks.
Mhm.
You're allowed to give them respect as long as they respect you. So fish.
Tricks.
Ooh.
Oh, came up again.
Was that on film?
Yeah.
Okay.
Swag. Look at that protection.
All the bases covered.
Yeah. At least you could do that with it. Retrieval at its finest.
Good.
Yeah.
See, when you can only go from calves up, nothing bad.
Slabs up. All right.
Well, we got almost me getting hit, and it doesn't count, but you had him.
Yeah.
You got Does this count? Doesn't count.
He was out, then he was in, so it doesn't count.
Yeah, he wasn't over the edge for. Yeah.
Yeah. Slippery.
Cool. Sponsored by Roll Gold. Fighting a fish.
Fighting a fish in weeds is hard.
Well, there he is. He's a chuppy, but he's still fishy.
Got him.
Got him.
Chuppy.
Where's he at?
Maneuverability. Up ahead. There he is.
Just watch my face.
Sorry.
So, oh, he's not a bad fish though. He's a pounder.
Nice fish. Good fight. Daddy Wombat.
Daddy Wombat. Mm.
And Fish Tricks. Abuela is on.
Abuelo feels decent. He's not a bad fish at all. The pounder, maybe
Nice.
a little over a pound. We're gonna
I seen
flip
him.
in. Ooh, there he is. That's a chop. That's a 2-pounder probably, eh? Maybe. Is that a true 2?
It could be.
Oh, he's been caught before hard. Look
He's
at
a
that.
beaut, yeah.
That might have been for my set. He's definitely over a pound.
Nice, good fish.
Nice fish. He's a solid all the way top to bottom. So, oh, dude, good call on coming back here.
For sure.
So, dude, what is this? We're 4-4 now,
think so.
or do you have 5?
I'm not sure.
Okay,
We'll take a look at the footage.
Yeah, but he's nice. His name's gonna be the father of Robbie and Sandy Alomar.
Okay.
Probably his name's probably Roberto Sandy, right?
Could
Sanford.
be. Yeah, I would say.
So Robbie Sandy Alomar, and he's a good fish. It's quality though.
Nice.
Catch these all day long, literally
Yeah.
all day long.
I love it.
So Robbie Sandy Alomar, Omar Vizquel, they're all Hermitagio.
Mm.
Okay. Uncle Canada number 6. It's a good one.
Yeah.
That was a good shot if you flipping him too.
Flippy dippy.
Yeah, you can see what he was doing. So I think that's 10 fish so far. You got 2 more than me now, 6 and 4, 10.
I think we bit that one.
Okay.
Barely even got it in his mouth.
Gill Glythe.
Yeah. Tippy Tupperton.
Live. He's not a bad one. He's a pounder.
Nice.
Solid pound. He's a good fish.
We got a drop.
Yeah, he looks like he's going for that beer. The chatterbait.
Chatterbait scheme with a nice key tech
yes.
flavor.
Key tech, Kai tech, flare, whatever you gotta say.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like him.
Yeah, it has meaning. Juniper.
You know, if I was ever Garth Brooks, I would do that.
Yep. One here.
Totisto, well, you're beating me today pretty good. He's not a bad fish.
He's a Tito Leibowitz.
Yeah. He's a pounder and change.
Hell yeah.
Might even be close to 2.
For sure.
There. Yeah,
He's got
I've got like
meat
4 or
to
5. You've got like, that's like your 10th.
Another one.
This
Yeah, boss.
Leibowitz.
Tito Leibowitz
Yeah,
here.
he's a pound.
Yeah, he had something.
Yeah.
He wanted to get on the
chatter.
on the chatter. Oop, it's swinging.
That's cool. I can see it.
Yeah, chat.
Chatter. What's his
Tito
name?
Tito Leibowitz. Here we go. And entry. Yeah, Hearth Germage.
Hearth, is that his name?
Now that you remind me, that's his name. Hearth
Germage.
Germage.
Yeah, Germage.
So we're gonna give him the hotel suite and send him packing. He returned his key at the front desk.
He did, yeah. Slipped the receipt under the door in the morning.
Luggage packed.
Yeah.
And entry. 5 mules on.
He's running in strong. Oh, he's not that big. He got a little bit of hearth to him.
Hearth.
Or he's just really far out.
Woo!
Oh, he's not a bad fish. He's a pound.
Nice looking fish.
Yeah, good little pounder.
Yeah.
On the, I forget who makes this jig. This might be an Assassin. The Assassin jig. Again with the Rage tail.
Yeah,
The
nice.
Rage tail's killing it.
Nice.
He's not a bad fish. I think it's number 5. So we put
Yeah.
a 12 on the boat again today. If not 13.
Numbers.
8.
Fun day of
Yeah.
fishing.
So his name's gonna be Hyundai Elantra. And we're not sponsored by Hyundai, so but his name's
You
Elantra.
never
He's
know.
not bad. Look at how long he is.
Yeah.
All these fish. That's what I'm saying. They're gonna keep getting bigger over the years because he's a foot. He's 14 inches.
Yep.
So he's been caught before too.
Okay, Hyundai Elantra.
Hyundai Elantra and Zoom Zoom. That's Mazda. That was a bad release, but he's gone.
Stature.
Julio.
Yeah, another
Lucas
one
Willius, yeah.
on the chatterbait. Call him Barstool Larry.
But yeah, that's cool. Sports.
Yeah, sports.
yeah.
So Barstool, here's something. Dang.
He's appreciative of that.
Yep. Go.
He's a pounder.
Hell yeah.
Well, not a pound. Maybe a little under pound.
Putting him on the boat. Oh boy.
But
So you got another one here, fourth quarter.
At the end of the day, a lot of trash builds up. We just got commotion going. He's not a bad bass out at all.
Yeah,
Definitely probably about a pound, maybe even a little over.
for sure. Nice bass. What's
Yeah.
his name?
His name's gonna be Dunkle Funkin. Dunkle Funkin.
Hey.
Dunkle Funkin. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
All right. Yeah. Cool. Nice.
Denny Cash Eye.
Yeah.
Ooh. He's a good fish.
Yeah. Del Corpo.
One of the better ones on the day.
Yeah.
He's a couple pounds. He's a 2-pounder. Ooh, I just farted really good.
Yeah. It's pretty Del Corpo. These guys have some fight. It's a nice mouth.
It's really dark.
Yeah.
I didn't turn the light on beforehand.
But hey,
Del Corpo.
last one.
Probably, yeah.
We'll call him Del
Ooh,
Corpo.
That smell is really good too.
Yeah, there's also a raunchy smell of beef. But here we go.
Del Corpo.
That's actually,
Now we're
I like
aquaponics
this one.
cells is Narish.
Yeah, it's Narish.
All right.
Okay, Del Corpo. Yeah, tippy top. That's pretty, yeah. Swag. Fellatio.
Not a good or bad day. 19, I think. You beat my ass, but I definitely had 7, and they were all good except for one.
This
You had
one's
some.
good.
We definitely had a couple 2-pounders too.